Hi there. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. If you've ever encountered this error message while you're testing your system to take an online proctored exam on Pearson OnVUE, and it says that your network does not meet the requirements to take an exam, even though your internet speed is okay and you're not using a VPN, you've come to the right place. I'm here to walk you through the steps to fix this issue. Let's get started. Now, let's go ahead and demonstrate the error. I'm going to enter the access code and click Next. Then it will check my equipment, such as my mic, speaker, and webcam. When I click Next, it will check my internet connection. This is where the error message typically appears, saying that my network does not meet the requirements to take an exam. When I click the details, you can see the first two conditions, checking my internet speed and network ping check, have passed. However, the third condition, testing my internet connection for video streaming requirements, is failing and preventing me from taking the exam. Before we fix the issue, the first step is to close the Pearson OnVUE software. Then, open your web browser and search for Pearson OnVUE download. Go to the first link, scroll down and click Run System Test. I'll provide the website link in the description below. Check the 4 checkboxes and click Next. You'll see a new access code in this step. This is the reason why you encountered the error message previously. It's because the access code expires after a certain period of time. Now let's copy the access code we just generated and open up Pearson OnVUE again. Paste the access code into the appropriate field, click Next, then continue clicking Next until the test-taking process starts. And there you have it, the error message is now gone. You can proceed to the next steps of taking the exam without any issues. If you have any issues, please feel free to comment below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and goodbye.